All right, and we're back. This is just another quick unpackaging. I already cut the end off. I'll show you what it is, and I'll tell you. All right. Let's see what it says on the box here. What do we got? A premium HVAC blower M. So you're going to know what that is in a second here. So let me set you down. All right. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to stop it because I got to cut this plastic. Hang on. Wow, it really wrapped the heck out of this thing. In any case, as you can see what it is, it's a blower motor resistor. Okay, let's see if we can get this open here. Don't know how this pops out. Trying to find, there it is. All right, so what we got here, that, wow, boy, they really do wrap the heck out of these things, huh? Holy crap. All right, in any case, so this is a blower motor resistor for my wife's 2018 Hyundai Kona. So this is the same resistors from 2018 to 2022, I believe, 23, not sure. Basically, these cars are notorious for getting water up in the dash, and you have to keep the drain hole cleaned out. I actually keep a zip tie in the glove box for cleaning the drain hole. When I hear a little bit of water, I clean it, but I haven't been driving her car much, and evidently it had a ton of water in the dashboard again, and I believe that's what caused the resistor to go. And how you know you have a bad resistor is you end up with only the highest fan speed setting. So 1, 2, and 3 don't work. Number 4 does. So that's how you know. So I'm going to swap it out. Shouldn't be that hard. I've replaced resistors in other cars before. So you know, if you want to see how it's done on a Kona, you know, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And, you know, you'll end up seeing a video on how to install this. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.